Hey everybody, today we also did chapter 9, putting it together with operators. I'm here with my navigator Tom. Okay, so for context, an operator is a symbol that performs a task, an operation, using operands. In this chapter, we'll learn about the different types of operators that we can work with in JavaScript. So basically for this chapter, chapter 9, we had like a JavaScript supercalculator. So if we go to our code, this is a very long code to create the JavaScript supercalculator. Obviously, everything links to HTML. So if we go to our calculator, we'll see we've got two options, a number or a string. So we'll obviously stick with numbers for now. So we can go 25 times 75. We click operate, it will give us our answer. You can also go minus, operate. Okay, maybe I should do it like this. 75, don't want to get a negative number, but 25, operate, your answer is 50. You can also add it, 100. So basic calculator. If we do strings, we can go hey, and then there. Now we click this one, string operator, which basically connects your two strings together. Click operate, hey plus there, hey there. For comparison operators, this obviously compares your strings, or whatever you put in there. So we can go hey with a capital and hey with a lowercase. I think it's if we select this one and we click operate, it will still give us a true value, because even though that our second string has a lowercase h, it's still true because it's the same one. But I think it's this one. If we go here, it will tell us it's false, purely because this isn't a capital. Right, so something else we did, well, basically we inserted this. So we haven't gone over switch case yet, but over here we inserted our own console.log you multiplied. So this will appear with only when you multiply. So I think it's actually already here. So here. So just to show you again, 5 times 10. Operate there. You multiplied. So obviously, depending on which for which arithmetic operators you choose, you can always insert your own one, maybe under division, saying you divided, and then that will appear every time you divide something on the supercalculator. But yeah, that's basically there. And also, we want to try get a hello every time we do an operation or a calculation. So under here, underneath document.getInfoID results, you just go console.log hello in strings. So every time you do a calculation, it will say hello. Now go again, hello. Or, that basically. And depending on how many times you do the same, well, depending on how many times you do a calculation, it will just tell you how many times it said hello or how many times you've done a calculation. Unless it's like maybe you multiply and then it kind of just like breaks that pattern. So now you'll see it's like there's no 3 or 2 or whatever. Yeah, so that's basically chapter 9. Tom, do you want to add anything there?
No. Yeah, that was good.
That was basically chapter 9 in a very small nutshell. So it's pretty much how it works and what
Explain
it
the
does.
calculator. Yeah,
Cool.
explain the calculator and how it works with the operators as well.
Yeah.
So,